Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI. And these stone bath mats by JUERLEN will make you never wash a bath mat again. It's amazing how much water they absorb in such a short time. It makes my wife and I feel like we don't have to worry about dampness or humidity in our bath mats, which was always a concern before. Using these stone bath mats has made for less cleanup and more effectiveness in our bathrooms. This product conveniently comes in a 2-pack, which helped us replace both bath mats in our 2 bathrooms. I would say they quickly dry within minutes and then completely dry within 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how much water they get on them. It's surprising how much water can be splashed on the ground even while you're inside the shower, so these are great for even catching those droplets. We're really happy with these stone bath mats, and that is my point of view.